गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरे। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Virtuous souls, first it has become necessary for us to know how did we get stuck here. What is the purpose of our life here today? You have all the facilities, and if death happens, then what will you do? What benefit did we get from these on which we spent our whole life? God says,
भक्ति बिना क्या होते है, भरम रहा संसार। रति कंचन पाया नहीं, रावण चलती बार। सर्व सोने की लंका थी वह, रावण से रणधीरम। एक पलक में राज विराजी, जम के पड़े जंजीरम।
Lanka was made of all gold. We will make a bungalow by applying chips and marble. Ravan had made it with gold. And while leaving, it is said that he could not even take a single gram of gold. Then why are we wasting time here? There is a huge plan behind this of the Lord here, which means the owner, he is not God. Now the whole definition of God, the comparison applies here to all. Each of them starts calling themselves God like an officer. He is also called Sahab, and the one who is a minister is also called Sahab. Chief Minister Sahab, Prime Minister Sahab. The point is, they are not God. The level of Kal God is some other. He is also called God, but is not God. Therefore, in Gita chapter 15, verses 16 and 17, conclusive knowledge has been given. It has been said in the 16th verse that Akshar Purush and Akshar Purush, these two gods are famous in this world. All the living beings under these two are perishable, and the soul does not die. Both of them are also perishable. That is why it has been said in Gita chapter 15 verse 17, Uttam Purusha tu anyah Paramatma iti udharte. There is some other superior God, Purushottam, the supreme God, is different from these two, from Akshar Purush and Akshar Purush. Who is that third one? Arjun questions in Gita chapter 8 verse 1 that the worship which you have told in Gita chapter 7 verse 29 that after knowing Tat Brahma and the whole spirituality and being acquainted with all deeds, then the creature only tries to get rid of birth and death. After knowing that Tat Brahm, then the person does not demand anything from this world. Jar means old age, which is havoc on this creature, and death is worse than this. We have accumulated so many things, are feeling comfortable but will die in a minute. What worse will happen with us than this? It is said that the one who has understood who is Tat Brahm, Arjun is asking, who is that Tat Brahma? Who is that God? In the third verse of the 8th chapter, the knowledge giver of Gita replied that he is Paramakshar Brahma. He is other than the knowledge giver of Gita. Gita chapter number 15 verse number 17 talks about him. Uttam Purush tu anya hai. He is Paramakshar Brahma and is different from both of them, Kshar Purush and Akshar Purush. And Paramatma iti udharate, he only is called God. Param means best, virtuous soul. Is this the work of a virtuous soul? He kills someone's son, kills someone's daughter. Someone is having cancer, the whole family dies in an accident by making 100 excuses. He eats daily. Is this the work of God, of a superior soul? He says in chapter 11 verse 32 that, brother, I am Kal. Now Kal will give us suffering as he is giving. Paramatma iti uddharate. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 17, very decisive knowledge has been given because it is a spiritual world. This is a spiritual world, spiritual knowledge. These are not the songs of performers. This is God-given spiritual knowledge. Understanding this is not a child's game until there is a blessing from God. Without the grace of God, Kabir, we cannot even understand the scriptures. Trust this truth. Soul cannot understand these scriptures. God, Kabir, inspires and removes the ignorance on whichever devotee he becomes happy and is pleased with.
दास गरीब मेर सतगुर की खोले बदर कवाड़ी.
On whom God showers blessing, he awakens his blind conscience. It has been stated in this that Uttam Purusha tu anya Paramatma iti udharate, who is called God. Look, is he God? He has been described as a butcher, just like a butcher raises goats and provides all facilities to those goats. He makes ponds for goats, puts up a shed, and builds grass for them. When that butcher goes near those goats, they think that he is our noble owner. How many facilities has he provided to us? And he checks them by touching them with his hand like this. The goats love him, lick him with their tongue, and pamper him that he is our good master and takes good care of us. They do not know that he checks how many kilos of meat you have become. They think that he has come to serve us, to love us. Seeing the facilities here, cashew, raisins, apple, orange, beautiful gardens, the waterfalls, the river is flowing, how beautiful are the fruits, grains here, we think that this God is very kind. Look, what facilities has he provided? Where does that kindness go when someone's son dies? He destroys the whole family. Where does his kindness go? Virtuous souls, no one has told us this knowledge to date. These messengers of Kal have taken the contract of Satlok. These 2 or 3 sects are running. They do not know the ABC. Devotees sat down blindly, consider them to be knowledgeable. They do not know the ABC. It has been said that he is called God. Now, God's work is to provide happiness and not sorrow. Similarly, those goats consider that he is our merciful owner. When he receives the order in the evening, he does not see whose son has to be taken, whose daughter, whose mother, or whose father. He searches with the stick and selects the healthy ones and takes them out. Then the rest of the goats get to know when they are taken out. Then some run here, some run there, some go somewhere else. Where will they go? He has made a well-built fence from all sides. He has made the boundary. Where will they go? Virtuous souls, God is called the one who does not give sorrow and only provides happiness. So that God is in Satlok. That God is inside Satlok, and only he is called Paramatma. Yeh Loktrayam Avishya Vibharti Ave Ishwara. He enters all 3 worlds and nourishes everyone. He is an eternal God.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।